probably won't use this one. It's my help me! Give me my glasses, give me my glasses, give me my glasses. Give me something, stop laughing. It's on my lashes. My hair, look how damaged it is. Like, look at my hair.
Now everybody sing that shit.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl TayPancakes, aka Taylor Stevens, aka Tay. I'm going to be doing my hair, and I figured that I would do it with y'all. I'm going to be touching up my roots, girl. And I'm going to be trying to put orange in there, and I don't really know how that's going to turn out because I got blue in here, but I'm willing to take that risk because I can't deal with this. Anything's better than this. So it's probably gonna be a voiceover because people up and moving and there's a lot going on. But if not, then you know, we gonna see what happens. We gonna see what happens. Give me a second. Alright, so I got the perm, baby, the olive oil perm. I haven't done an at-home perm in years. I went to the hair salon the first time, but girl, if y'all see some extra hands, my man helped me get the back of the head, so that's that. But this is ridiculous. I haven't done my hair in 2 months, so it's gonna be a voiceover. So let's speed it up. Let's do this. I need you to just make sure it's in on every piece of hair, like nothing missed. Don't start on my edges. I'm gonna get the edges last, but you follow me?
Yeah, just make sure every piece of hair, don't put it on your edges.
Yeah. Matter of fact, let me start, right? Let me start with the front.
Yeah, show me a little bit.
Let me start with the front. Let's just go baby step. What the fuck is that? It's about to smell like perm here. This smell like chemicals. I didn't get like the super perm. I got the regular perm. Damn, my arm. My hair looks damaged because, bitch, it is. What if my hair fall out?
Yeah, no.
I'm so happy that you're so optimistic. So the only thing that's not perm right now is my hair. I mean, it's the roots. Like, that's the only thing that grew out. Like, I probably won't use this one. It's my help me! Give me my glasses, give me my glasses, give me my glasses. Give me something, stop laughing. It's on my lashes. Quick. No, don't give me a dry one first. Oh my God. Help me. Please, you're not doing enough force. You're not trying. I just stop. Give me this. Give me this. Give me this. Ah! Give me that. Give me that other piece.
I am.
Fucking God. I'm fucking God. I'm fucking dead. Right there. Yeah, pop that. It's looking good. That didn't sound too freaking sure. Go ahead, pull up side half. You got one job. Thank you. Am I getting the roots? I don't got my glasses on. I can't see.
I'm gonna put your motherfucking glasses.
Thank you, good sir. Bro, you're no freaking how. Where's fucking blow? Wait, just open this side. All right, y'all. So the perm is in. I see some hair strands in my hand. I know I'm not supposed to get the perm on the bleach part of my head, but there was no stopping it. So basically, I've accepted the fact that if my hair falls out, I'm gonna just go to the barbershop, you know? Because I feel like my roots will be fine because they're not color treated. But I'm about to wash this out now. Oh my gosh, it's on my forehead. I didn't put no Vaseline on my forehead. Baby, I think my hair gonna fall out. Come on, it's burning a little bit. Tell me hello.
Spanish.
Why are you reading the Spanish one? You don't even understand Spanish. Taking a risk, I might as well take it all the way, right?
Bigger the risk, bigger the reward.
I don't know if that works.
Yes, sir.
Because this is the bigger the risk, the higher chance of me being bald headed. Would you love me if I look like this?
If you look like that,
Yeah.
if you had white in your head, then what the fuck are you talking about? Like, that's why I said what? I'm gonna love you regardless.
Nah, you took too long to answer that question. Take this glove off, y'all.
Unless you like.
I'm not even gonna put that in the damn video. Do my edges look straight?
Yeah, they look sleek, girl. You on fleek.
I didn't like that.
Yeah.
Good news. We had a little bit of a debacle. Thanks for pushing through, baby. Like, you a real one. We got a little crazy there, but it's cool. We'll talk about that later. Yeah, my hair is slick. It's a little like wavy pieces in the middle, but we did that.
What's that?
So my edges is pretty sleek, like.
Yeah, you know, I do my shit.
You did that.
Yeah, I know.
Next step is, this is the color that he picked. So if it come out dusty, this is for. So this is the color he picked. I don't know. Okay, so I looked up if I put orange over blue / green, how would it come out? They said it would come out gray, purple, brown. So it's a lot of things that could happen, or it could rock to the orange, but I doubt that. So this is the hot orange that he chose, and we're gonna see how it come out. It was $4.99. It's a little bit expensive. They usually, Adore is usually cheaper at the hair store, but I got it at the corner store. So we're just gonna see. We're gonna go ahead and slick this stuff through my scalp. It will be a little less, you know, right now conditioner's in there, so. But I think I did a pretty good job going through. Like, I think, you know, my hair is not falling out. All I'm gonna say is I think we did it. Like, I would just like to say my hair is really, really damaged, bitch. And I don't know what to do. You did this.
No, it wasn't me.
My hair, look how damaged it is. Like, look at my hair. Yo, I can take my hair out. Okay. My hair is coming out.
Let me see you coming.
I don't gotta comb it, boo. I can rip it out. Wait.
So you gonna cut it?
I think I gotta go get it cut.
So you gonna cut it?
Oh my god, I wanted some finger waves. I'm private.
So you gotta wait to get your hair cut, then dye?
No, I need to dye. I need to go hang it up. That's what I need to do. At this point, after having a slight mental breakdown, I'ma just do it. Put the color in there, and worst comes to worst, it'll all have to come off. And but what's new? What's freaking new?
You're gonna get a lot of views.
Is it worth it though?
Is it?
Hell yeah! Nah, they probably don't get no views.
Nah,
They don't like me like that. You don't need to put that much in there, boo. I don't got that much head.
You do got that much head. Who said you ain't had that much head?
Okay, I know my head big. I was talking about hair. Asshole. Give me some of that. Alright, be careful not to get it on nothing. Oh my gosh, it's gonna be ugly. It's gonna be brown. I know it. It's gonna be brown.
Brown, you look good with brown though.
Do I? That wasn't me.
Yes, it was. Why you always trying to blame shit on me?
You're right. I apologize. What it look like? It's looking good?
Yeah, it's looking good. It's looking good.
Is it for real?
Uh-huh. Ooh, girl.
Looking good.
Ooh, girl.
I'm gonna bring all the boys to the yard.
Yeah, your milkshake already do though, so that's, you know. Mommy, you here. Grab the back. The back of the back of the back of the head. Oh, grab the back.
It's probably, oh, I just feel like my hair wet. It's gonna be harder to take. Just, like, I'm just being dumb.
Yeah, you been being dumb. You just experimenting on you.
You should have been like, no, baby, it's okay. Like,
it is okay though. You know why?
why?
Cause I'm here. Oh, why that was going?
Alright, ah! God damn! Shit, you almost dyed my eyeball orange.
Let me dye your eyebrows.
You want to dye the eyebrows?
Yeah.
You should think it's nothing alright?
Huh?
You think it's nothing alright?
Yeah,
No, don't touch me with your phone.
One eyebrow, let me get one then.
Why is foaming up? I still got soap in my hair? Cut the cameras. Dead ass. I really don't like how the finger waves came out, but we're gonna see what they look like when I get out of the shower, because at this point I'm just pissed. So give me a second. Like, comment, subscribe. I hate my life. I hate the hair. Like, I don't know what to do. Okay, the shoulders don't hurt, don't help, and neither does the turtleneck because I look like Steve Jobs. But that's besides the point. But I do not like this. Couldn't do the finger waves, couldn't do anything. It looks like a burnt orange. It might look brighter when it's dry, but in the meantime, me and sis right here, we got some work to do. So let me give y'all a, yep. That's what's going on here. Like, comment, subscribe. I don't really know what to do. Follow me on Instagram, follow me on TikTok. If you don't, you fake. That's the end of this. I'll insert some clips at the end on Snapchat of it looking different from a, I don't know. Bye.